Hi! Welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off larger accessibility sizes in display on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the display and text size. Then in this section, in the display and text size, find the larger text, then tap. Then in this part in the larger text, find the larger accessibility sizes, and you will see there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it to enable until it becomes green. When the larger accessibility sizes is enabled, apps that support dynamic type will adjust to your prepared reading size below. And if you want to disable or turn up, just tap again the switch button, just like this. And that's what we have successfully turned on and off larger accessibility sizes in display on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!